Imagine waking up to devastation. Venezuela is on a frantic race against time. Day 4 post-quake, Venezuela is in chaos. Over 1,400 lives lost, and countless more missing. Rescue teams are hustling hardcore, searching through wreckage, yelling, "If you're alive, make any noise." The clock's ticking, and every second counts. It's like a scene from an action movie, but it's real life. Picture this, people risking it all to save strangers, every hero's dream and nightmare combined. But, can they beat the odds and find more survivors, or will hope fade with the sun? What do you think? Can these heroes turn the tide? Drop your thoughts in the comments and smash that subscribe button for more intense world updates.